Good day, I'm Tamara McHale, and this is your JIS News for Monday, September 12. A grooming policy for public and private schools will be implemented by the 2017-2018 academic year. Minister of Education, Youth and Information Ruel Reid made the disclosure during an interview with JIS News.
I have given instructions to my permanent secretary to get the National Council on Education to begin an island-wide stakeholder consultation, and that will inform me as to the crafting of the policy, which we are hoping to get a feedback on all of that by the end of March 2017, so that ahead of the next school year, there will be a very clear policy guidelines for the entire education system regards to hairstyle, grooming, and dressing generally.
The Education Minister's directive follows recent public debate about grooming standards after a 3-year-old was denied entry to a private school because of his hairstyle. The Food Task Force unit of the Ministry of Health will be leading a campaign with schools to combat non-communicable diseases (NCDs). Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the program, to be launched soon, will increase the intervention projects in schools promoting proper nutrition. This initiative will work in tandem with the Jamaica Moves program, which will also come on stream shortly to promote physical activity at the community level.
It's all about prevention or promoting prevention. Because again, prevention reduces the strain on the public health system, leads to longevity of life and quality of life. So for all those reasons, even before we start getting to hospital beds and emergency rooms and so on, we must tell people or encourage people to get into the habit of treating themselves in a particular manner to reduce these risks.
Mr. Tufton was speaking on Saturday at the Caribbean Wellness Day Expo in Halfway Tree. The activity was held under the theme, Love Your Body, Treat Your Body Right. Still on education, 59 school-level students now have school supplies courtesy of the Administrator General's Department, AGD. 46 of the recipients are beneficiaries of estates being administered by the AGD, while the remaining 13 are children of staff of the department. Administrator General and CEO of the AGD, Mrs. Lona Brown, used the function to encourage the recipients.
As you enter either the secondary or tertiary education system, much of the responsibility will be on your shoulders in terms of how you progress academically. You will therefore be required to pay an even greater attention to your studies.
The AGD administers the estates of persons who have died interstate and have left children under the age of 18 years. It protects the interests of minors, beneficiaries, and creditors of estates. In other news, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, will be launching a program to increase the public's awareness and responsibility on the issue of marine litter. The Adopt a Beach program will be launched on International Coastal Cleanup Day, to be observed on Saturday, September 17. NEPA officials who were at a JIS think tank on Friday said the program was critical given how marine waste affects our beaches and marine mammals.
In that program, what we'll be providing to communities or people who want to select a beach is the tools to actually clean up the beach. So normally it's garbage bags, gloves to pick up the garbage. When you do it, the aim is for the public to select a beach and every month or every quarter go out and clean up that beach. And that way they can recognize, even if you clean up a beach today, tomorrow you see the garbage there again because someone has not thrown away their garbage properly. So we want to bring to the public the need to proper dispose of their waste.
1,000 volunteers are expected to participate in NEPA's International Coastal Cleanup Day beach cleaning exercise to take place at Half Moon Bay in Helcher, St. Catherine. International Coastal Cleanup Day is an annual global exercise organized locally by the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET. Persons wishing to participate in the activities can visit JET's website at jamentrust.org to register. And finally, 196 vector control workers have been trained to help the Southern Regional Health Authority in its fight against mosquito-borne diseases. 88 workers will be sent to Clarendon, 57 to Manchester, and 51 in St. Elizabeth. The temporary vector control workers were trained through a partnership with the Heart Trust NTA. The workers received training in areas such as mosquito breeding and prevention, premises inspection, environmental awareness, and waste management. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.